two mushroom items. One makes you big, and one makes you small. So here's how to get them. Alright guys, so to actually get these new items, all you're going to need to do is go into sewers. I just like bringing a backpack and a flashlight. And you'll see over here are some types of mushrooms. You got red, and I think blue might be rare, like more rare. Because I don't really see it too much. There's one over here. We found over here, and over here. There should be some. Okay. Yeah, I found them here before. Yep, see, right here.